we arrived at Australia, Melbourne. Today we're really sleepy because we don't have enough sleep at the flight. And this is our first day. We can see that top. We're on the way to the first workshop. We arrive at Acme and we make a story game. And we go around for lunch and break again. And back again to Acme. Okay, and in this picture we take this is a picture of our project at Acme. We make a video game story in here. We also met a lovely sweet young lady. If I'm not mistaken, it's Nicole and Emma. Next, after the workshop, we walk around the city, visiting a few places in Melbourne. We visit a garden, something, and which I forget the name. Next, so second day in Melbourne, we have workshop again about how to make an electronic music, and then we visit Aromatic campus. We have a tour, and then next we also work around the city and we go shopping. And the next day we have workshop again with doing a street art graffiti, and then we do a workshop about how to fly drone by coding, and then we go around again to visit Melbourne University and the Nursery Station. And also at the third day we also go around the Melbourne with a tram. And day 4, we fly to Sydney. Arrived at Sydney, we visit Taronga Zoo, that we learn about a business at zoo. So how the zoo, about how the zoo business can go successfully. And then we allowed to go around the zoo also. The zoo is actually surprisingly really big. And next, we also go around again and we have shopping again. Okay, on the second day in Sydney, we have a workshop at Marabel. But first, we go to Sand Dune to have sunbirding, and then go to Marabel where we learn about rays and shark. We also go down to the water to feed them and punch them. Next, this is the third day in Sydney, also the last day of us in Australia. First, we have workshop at UTS where we learn about engineering, and then we go around to Sydney Opera House, and also this picture about in Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge. And this is some photo that I say. That's all. Thank you.